Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in a world of my creation. We'll see, we'll defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world? There's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be.
Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 14.4-inch touchscreen, Intel registered core trademark i5, 16GB memory, 256GB SSD, Platinum. The most powerful Surface laptop. Quad-core powered 11th Gen Intel Core H series processors handle your most complex workloads. Boundary-pushing design with sleek 14.4-inch 5 touchscreen makes seamless transitions from laptop to entertainment-ready stage to portable creative canvas. Pair with Surface Slim Pen 2 for the best digital pen experience yet, featuring the feeling of pen on paper. 7. Magnetically attach, store, and charge under the front of the keyboard. Enjoy uniform, true-to-life color and contrast on the beautiful 14.4-inch 5 PixelSense Flow touch display. Experience smoother scrolling with a refresh rate up to 120Hz. See remarkable colors, brighter brights, darker darks, and subtle details with Dolby Vision and Dolby Vision IQ6 that dynamically adjusts to the changing light conditions around you. You're going to need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Don't forget to add Microsoft 365.